show you how to use one of our Vitamix machines to make our Hint of Mint smoothie. On your machine, you'll see an on-off switch, a high-speed variable speed switch, and a variable speed control dial. We'll show you how to utilize all of these in our recipe. You'll see that your machine will come with one accessory, a tamper. This helps with tougher blends like nut butters, hummus, or frozen desserts. But we'll get into that in a few minutes. Let's start by placing the container on the base and start loading it with the ingredients. The best way is to start with the liquids and smaller ingredients first and build up to the heavier ingredients. The heavier ingredients will push everything down towards the blades for easier blending. It's important to note that all the ingredients should be added in the order they're listed in the recipe. So here we go. 1 cup of water, 1½ cups of green grapes, 4½ cups of loosely packed fresh spinach, 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves, 2½ cups of fresh pineapple chunks, and 1 cup of ice cubes. This recipe makes 3½ cups. Secure your lid and do not remove the lid while blending. Next, ensure that the dial is set to variable speed 1 and the high variable switch is set to variable. Turn the machine on and slowly increase to variable speed 10. And then high. If you notice that your blend isn't moving well enough, you can use the tamper to help. Remove the lid plug and push the ingredients using the tamper in a clockwise motion towards the blades. The tamper is designed to be short enough not to hit the blades, so there's no need to worry about damaging your machine. After your 50 seconds of blending, your smoothie will be ready. Just pour into a glass and enjoy.
Ninja Total Crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.
Why Blendtec? We believe in our blenders, so you can too.
We want to have the best in the world so people can be healthy and happy.
Every Blendtec is made in Utah with pride, passion, and purpose. All are backed by the longest warranties and the most caring customer service in the business.
8-year warranty, can't beat it.
We just want people to be as thrilled with their Blendtec as we are, and people are thrilled. Just read the blogs or ask someone who owns a Blendtec. They all have a story to tell about how it made a difference in their lives, from helping their family get healthier to helping their business thrive.
It's delicious.
Blendtec has been a company you can count on to keep innovating, and that's the kind of company we try to align with.
This is my retirement right here.
Obviously, the real strength of Blendtec goes way beyond watts and horsepower. It's in all the amazing things that Blendtec enables you to do.
Here you go, waitress.
I just like it in the smoothie.